Silas Maths.
The best place to learn mathematics.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, now like I said in our previous class that we'll still continue in the topic we have been discussing since, that types of numbers. Today we are going to continue on that, and we're going to consider two types of numbers today. Number one is prime numbers, and number two, composite numbers. So these are the two types of numbers we're going to look at today. Now, what are prime numbers? That's the question. What are prime numbers? Let's talk about prime numbers. Now, prime numbers are numbers that has only two factors. They are numbers that have only two factors. Any set of numbers that have only two factors are called prime numbers. Example of such numbers are, we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 5, we have 7, we have 11, we have 13, we have 17, and so on and so forth. So there are so many of them. Now this set of numbers have only two factors. What do I mean by two factors? We are going to learn factors in time to come, but when you talk about factors of a number are the possible numbers that can divide a particular number without a remainder, right? Factors of a number are a set of numbers that can divide a particular number without any remainder. For example, 2. The only number that can divide 2 without remainder is just two set of numbers, that is 1 and itself. Alright? So we say prime numbers are numbers that have only two factors. Prime numbers are numbers that has only two factors, that is 1 and itself. Yes, let's not forget that. That is 1 and itself. So 2 have only two factors, 1 and itself. 3 can be divided by only 3 and itself. 5 can be divided by only 1 and itself. 7 can be only divided by 1 and itself, and so on and so forth. All these set of numbers are called prime numbers. They are called what? Prime numbers. Now let's talk about the okay, let's note something before we move over to composite numbers. The least prime number is what? 2. Yes, the least prime number is what? 2. Yes. Now let's talk about what again? Let's move over to the second one, which is composite numbers. Now, what are composite numbers? What are composite numbers? Composite numbers are numbers that have more than two factors. Composite numbers are what? Numbers that have more than two factors. So, example of such numbers are, we have the first or the least is 4. 4 is a composite number, followed by 6, followed by 8. The next one is 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, etc., and so on and so forth. All these numbers have more than two factors. For example, 4. The factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. So you see 4 has how many factors? 1, 2, 3. 3 factors. So that is why 4 is the least composite numbers. Alright, don't forget what we've discussed. The first one is prime number, and we say prime numbers are numbers that have what? Only 2 factors, that is 1 and itself. Why composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors. Now we are going to pause it here for now. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel if you have not, and turn on the notification bell. See you in my next class. Bye for now.